Are you more Apollonian, ice, or Dionysian, fire? Your personality type, how would you qualify yourself? Are you more outgoing, extrovert, or more ingoing, introvert? Or are you more inclined to say, no, it's not that simple. Just like in this poem where he says, I kind of think probably fire is what takes us down, but it could be ice as well, right? I kind of can see desire versus hate, right? It comes back again and again that way, that dichotomy, okay? Are you more inclined to say, sometimes I'm more fire and sometimes I'm more ice? How about this one? Do you think that the people who produced you, you're more like one or the other? And how do you think about that in relationship to fire and ice? Here in a bit, we're going to study Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, and the play's going to begin with a nasty, nasty fight that will culminate with a pool of blood on the stage. Romeo's not there. He's in the woods. He's sad. When he comes onto the stage with his buddy, who was there at the fight, he'll point at the pool of blood, and he'll go, whoa, what's up with that? And before his buddy can say anything, Romeo will say, don't tell me, I already know what's going on here. He knows it's blood. He knows it's human blood. Don't tell me, I already know about this. He says, here's much to do with hate, but more with love. What? The Capulets and the Montagues, the two families, hate each other's guts. Of course this pool of blood is there because they hate each other's guts. And Romeo goes, there's a fine line between love and hate. Because why do the Capulets hate the Montagues? Because the Capulets love the Capulets. Right? In other words, to hate, you have to love. Think about that. The person you hate the most, is it because you love something else? Maybe like, for example, yourself. The fine line between the two. Well, as the story says, who knows what's good and what's bad? This little poem we could talk ad infinitum about, and that's why it's considered one of Frost's greatest poems. If a poem like this does anything for you, I hope it leads you to more Frost poems. And of course, you can continue to think about some of these ideas on your own as well. Thank you.